Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see here, we've got the resolution options in the right upper corner. You can change them just by tapping on them here, the resolution and the frames per second. However, if it is not the most comfortable way to change it for you, you can simply unroll the top bar, and here you've got the resolution. So simply tap on this option, and in this device we've got three options. So simply tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately applied here and visible right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.